very excited to be here. My name is Lima, and I am going to be talking about cloud storage for the enterprise. I want to welcome everyone that's here, present. And I want to welcome everyone who's watching me over the internet. Thank you for coming. And let's get started. I'm going to be talking about cloud storage. But before that, what is cloud? You know, cloud is a term that everyone has been talking about. It's one of the hottest topic in the IT industry. So what exactly is cloud? So cloud, simply put, it's a metaphor for network. So let's simplify or clarify a little bit further, because I want to make sure that once you're done with this presentation, once you leave this presentation, that you fully understand the basic concepts of cloud storage, cloud computing. So if we want to clarify a little bit further, so cloud computing. So cloud computing is an approach to delivering and consuming IT-related capabilities over the internet. You with me? You too? Okay. So there are 4 basic characteristics for cloud computing. It has to be on demand. And one thing I want to clarify here, you're going to hear the word online, on demand, off-site, hosted, outsourcing. They are all relatively the same terms. Please come over. Feel free to sit down and listen to this presentation. Thank you for coming. So that's one of the first basic characteristics of the cloud. The second one is that it is elastic. So the usage of any IT-related services has got to be able to scale up or down depending on the needs of the company. The third basic characteristic is that it has to provide a way for you, for the consumers, the subscribers, to pay as you go. And lastly but not least, it's got to be easy to deploy. So it's something that you subscribe to or that you sign up for, and you know that it's going to be easy, so you don't have to buy infrastructure, deploy yourself, maintain yourself. It's already out there. And I will explain a little bit more about that going forward. So are you with me with those basic characteristics of the cloud computing? And you too, I bet you are. So let's keep on going. Cloud computing. These are the 3 basic layers of cloud computing. And if you do understand those layers, you are good. I know there are a lot of people in the IT industry trying to confuse, but these are the basic, it's the backbone. And again, the hottest topic in IT. The first one is, and I'm going to quiz you in the end, so this is a very important part of the presentation. The first one is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure like hardware, software, server, networking, and storage. I highlighted storage here because Iron Mountain is a provider of storage as a service. We provide storage infrastructure for our customers. We have been doing that since 1995. So we were in the cloud business before it was called cloud. The second type of layer for the cloud computing is platform as a service. It's a little bit more than infrastructure. Basically, it's a place where developers go to build applications. It's everything set up for them, and they just go there and utilize the infrastructure to develop applications that they're going to be using either in the cloud or within their own company. The third layer of cloud computing is software as a service. You all have heard about this term, right? And WebEx is an example of a software as a service. And so is for the CRM, Salesforce.com. And let me ask you, you all have a Gmail account? You don't? So you do, right? And I bet a lot of people watching me over the internet also has an email account. So a Gmail account is another example of software as a service. Think about it. What do you do to access that service, that software as a service? You go online, you sign up, and you use it. You don't buy the email application, you don't maintain it, you don't do any upgrades. It's easy, right? And in this case, the Gmail, it just so happens that it is free. But many other vendors do charge for it. But this is just to give you the basic concept of software as a service. And here is the interesting thing about these 3 layers. The people who are using it. The infrastructure